In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use sections in Microsoft Forms. Sections let you break a long form into clear bite-sized pages, guide people with simple screens, and enable logic that shows only what's relevant. This keeps respondents focused and improves completion rates. First, head to Microsoft Forms in your browser. Once you're on the design page, open the form you want to organize. If you're starting fresh, you can add a few questions first, but don't worry, sections can be inserted at any time and rearranged later. To create your first section, select the plus Add New button. Instead of adding a question, click the small drop-down arrow next to it and choose Section. A new page break appears in your form. Click inside the section header to add a clear title and, if helpful, a short description. Use titles that explain the purpose, like contact details or project overview. Keep descriptions brief and action-oriented, telling respondents what to expect or what documents they might need. Now add questions inside the section. Any questions you create below that header will belong to this section. Group related items together, contact fields in one section, eligibility questions in another, so respondents see a logical flow. As you add questions, scan the right-hand options to set required fields and adjust response types to match the information you need. If you need to change the order of your pages, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the section and choose Move Section. Reordering sections is a fast way to improve the form's narrative without rebuilding anything. After moving a section, take a quick pass through your questions to ensure the sequence still reads naturally. Use sections strategically. Split pages to reduce scrolling and create natural pauses. Add branching so answers in one section can skip people past sections that don't apply to them, keeping the experience streamlined. Manage your sections by keeping names consistent, limiting each one to a single theme, and placing longer, more complex sections later when respondents are already invested. When you're ready to check your work, select Preview. Walk through the form on desktop, then switch to the mobile view to confirm that titles, descriptions, and questions look clean and that navigation buttons appear where you expect. Step through the next buttons to confirm sections change at the right moments and that any branching behaves as intended. Make any quick tweaks, then preview again until it feels smooth. That's all you need to create and use sections effectively in Microsoft Forms.